Selamat pagi reception. Kesa speaking. May I assist you?
Selamat pagi, I want to make reservation.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Kalisa.
Alright, Miss Kalisa. Is the reservation for yourself or for your guest?
For my guest.
Alright. How many person?
For 3 person.
Do you want smoking room or non-smoking?
Maybe one smoking and one non-smoking.
So it's mean two room.
Yeah.
One room smoking and one non-smoking.
Yeah.
Alright. May I know your guest arrival date?
It's tomorrow.
6 January.
Yes.
How many nights?
3 nights only.
Alright, 3 nights. So it's until 8 January.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want king size bed or twin bed for your guest, Miss Kalisa?
I want king bed.
Alright, please wait a moment. I will check the room availability.
Bye.
Thank you for waiting, Mister. We have a room available for your guest, and the room is the deluxe room with room rate so 1 million rupiah, including breakfast for 2 person. For hotel facilities, we have gym center and swimming pool. Do you want to take the room?
Yes, I want to take it.
Alright. So it's 2 room, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, pardon. Alright, pardon. Miss, can you please hold a moment?
Okay. I want to complain because my air conditioner is leaking and my clothes getting wet.
Alright, may I know your name and the room number?
My name is Mala. My room number 505.
Alright, Miss Mala, wait a moment. 505. Alright, Miss Mala, I will call the housekeeping first so that they can check your room. Would you like to wait in the lobby or in your room?
Wait in here.
Alright, just a moment. I will call the housekeeping first. Hello, good morning. It's from reservation. Yes, would you like to check your room 505 to see if there is leaking? Alright, thank you. Alright, Miss Mola, wait a moment till we'll come and pull up. Hello. Oh, I see. Alright, thank you. Alright, Miss Mola, what? Alright, Miss Mola, they have follow up. I will call the engineering. They can repair your air conditioner. Would you like to wait in your room or in the lobby?
I wanna wait in my room and my clothes is wet because it's leaking. When I will send my clothes in the laundry.
Okay, alright, we can offer you our laundry service for the discount or complimentary. I will ask my supervisor first. May I know for when you need the laundry is urgent or not?
Yes, it's urgent because I want to see. I want to use in 1 hour later.
Alright, please hold a moment. Miss Molan? Hello, Miss Molan. This is from reservation? Yes. Can you please go to room 505 and repair the air conditioner because it's leaking? Alright, thank you. Hello. Yes, good morning. Is this the reservation? Yes, ma'am. One of our guests has a leak because our lake. Is there anything we can do for her because she need express for Miss Mala? Alright, thank you. Alright, Miss Mala, my supervisor has authorized me to give you a complimentary express discount. May I ask you to go back to your room and put your laundry in the laundry bag? I will send our housekeeping to come collect your laundry. Please wait a moment.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. Can you please go to room 505 and collect Miss Mala laundry? Yes, and seen it express. Alright, thank you. Alright, Miss Mala, we are very sorry for your inconvenience, but this problem solved right now. Is there anything, Miss Mala?
For now is enough. Yes.
Alright, we'll again are very sorry for inconvenience. Miss Mala, please enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Halo, selamat pagi, Miss Kalisa.
Ya, selamat pagi. You've been waiting for a long time.
Pardon me for the why. We have a guest inquiry early. Alright, may I have the name of your guest, Miss Kalisa?
It's Evie.
Alright, can I spell the name of your guest?
Yeah, sure.
Echo Victor Yankee, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
The room one smoking and one non-smoking. Alright, Miss Kalisa, how do you want your Gwen reservation by cash or credit card?
By credit card.
Alright, your credit card or your Gwen's credit card?
The guest credit card.
The credit card of your Gwen and the name is Evie, right?
Yeah.
Alright, may I have the number and the name credit card?
Visa. The number is 08 111
Expired date, please.
1 January 2007.
Alright, just the information, the rooms 1 million rupiah for 2 nights, so total 2 million, and because you book 2 rooms, so it's mean 4 million rupiah. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, may I have your phone number?
0854632.
Alright, for your information, our check-in is at 2 p.m. and for the checkout time is on the next day at 12 p.m.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Kalisa. Alright, I repeat your reservation. Is your guest name Miss Evie? You need a double room, 1 room smoking and another 1 non-smoking. Is correct?
Yeah, correct.
Is currently by visa. The number is 081125 and expired date 1 January 2027. Your phone number is 8085463. That's correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, anything else, Miss Kalsa?
No, that's enough.
Alright, your reservation already confirmed with me, Keisha, and the number is 001. Thank you for calling Tiga Dua Hotel Jakarta. Have a nice day.